Here is the script. Artificial intelligence tools everyone should know. Intro. Have you ever wondered how some apps can understand your voice or suggest what to cook for dinner? Today, we'll explore some essential artificial intelligence tools that you might not know about. You'll learn what AI is and how it's used in everyday life, making it easier for you to navigate the digital world. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a type of computer science that enables machines to think and act like humans. It's not a single technology, but a collection of methods that help computers understand and respond to data. Think of AI as a tool that helps computers learn from experience, just like we do. Virtual assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa use AI to understand voice commands and respond accordingly. They can set reminders, play music, and even control your home's temperature. These assistants use natural language processing, a type of AI that allows computers to understand and interpret human language. Image recognition. Have you ever used a camera app that can recognize faces or objects? That's AI in action. Image recognition AI uses algorithms to analyze images and identify specific features like people, animals, or logos. This technology is used in self-driving cars, security systems, and even social media platforms. Chatbots are AI-powered chat windows that can help you with customer support, language translation, or even online shopping. They use machine learning to improve their responses over time, based on user interactions. Think of chatbots as virtual customer service reps that are available 24/7. Predictive analytics is a type of AI that uses data analysis to forecast future events or trends. This technology is used in finance, healthcare, and even weather forecasting. For example, online retailers use predictive analytics to recommend products based on your browsing history. AI in education. AI is being used in education to create personalized learning experiences. Adaptive learning software adjusts the difficulty level of lessons based on a student's performance, ensuring they stay challenged but not overwhelmed. This technology can help students with disabilities, like visual or hearing impairments, by providing tailored support. Conclusion. That's a brief overview of the AI tools you should know. From virtual assistants to image recognition, AI is becoming increasingly important in our daily lives. By understanding how AI works, you'll be better equipped to navigate the digital world and make the most of its benefits. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about AI, be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below.